Hi, does the Xiaomi Redmi 10 support screen recording feature? So the answer is yes, this phone does come with a screen recording feature. To access it, simply swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and find this video icon. Firstly, we can just press it and change its settings as resolution, video quality, orientation, sound source, frame rate. And additionally, we can either enable or disable these free features, lock screen to end, show touch gestures, and show button taps. So, to enable video recording, you'll need to return back in the control center, tap this video icon, and here you'll see this floating button which you can drag anywhere across the screen. To start recording, just tap this red one, and now it is started. Here you'll see the time, and to stop it, you'll need to tap this square button and then find this screen recording right in your gallery. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.